Hey, it's Dave Altavilla from HotHardware here with Kevin from Dell, who has a very interesting concept product, something called Concept UFO. Kevin, what do you got here?
Yes, so my name is Kevin Turchin. I'm one of the engineering directors in the Experience Innovation Group here at Dell, and today we're introducing to you Concept UFO. So for those of you that know our Alienware brand, we're leaders in the desktop gaming community, and we're leaders in the notebook gaming community. And what we hear continuously from our customers is that need, that desire to have that same or like gaming experience at home, but on the go, anywhere that they are. And that's what we're trying to achieve with Concept UFO. So Concept UFO is a gaming-first, portable PC device.
Wow. Pretty cool.
It has an 8-inch screen. We had a lot of work done on the balance between performance and portability. From a performance aspect, what I can tell you is that we're actually packing more performance in this small handheld device than what you'll see in a lot of notebooks today.
Really? Okay. It is a mobile platform.
And in the portability, that's something that's handheld. We've actually also enabled detachable controllers. And what that allows us to do is a wide variety of use cases. So we can have the controllers attached to our central computing device that we call the head, and that allows us for a much more closer, intimate gaming experience. For the situations that you want a more prolonged experience, you can take the controllers off, put them on what we call the bridge, and then now this unit acts like an external gaming controller.
Nice. Wow.
So we can put them back on the head. We've also incorporated a folding kickstand that actually articulates inward to outward, with the intent being that it actually minimizes table space. So when it is on a surface, it's using actual minimal footprint. So again, enhancing the portability story. From a performance standpoint, what we're highlighting today is various AAA games. And we're actually showing today the idea of game continuity. So we're showing how you can take a game on your existing Alienware notebook or desktop and then pick it up on the go with Concept UFO.
Got it. Now this is just a concept product. It's not planned for production currently.
Correct. So as of right now, we cannot commit to any details on launch date or schedule.
But it is a very refined looking concept product. I will say that.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
We've
had a team of a lot of very smart men and women who made this happen.
And can you comment the resolution of the display?
Yeah, so today we're going to demonstrate resolutions up to 1200p. What we're actually doing is we're exploring what is the right resolution, because as we look at smaller screen sizes and closer to your eyes, resolution sometimes isn't as important as we think it is. So we could potentially tone down the resolution and use that added headroom for added performance or added battery life.
Gotcha. And output to larger displays? Like, can you dock it up to a TV or?
So what you see here, actually, if I swipe to the side, this is fully functional Windows 10. And this is a fully functional PC. So although this is gaming first, it does not preclude you from using it like you would your traditional PC. So we have two Type-C ports, so one on the top, one on the bottom. You can use our existing Dell hub. You can connect external peripheries such as a keyboard, mouse, or external monitor.
Great stuff. Dell Concept UFO for CES 2020. Thanks much, Kevin.
Thank you.